Basilica de la Sagrada Familia. Hello everyone, my name is Asma Fatia Alinopal. My student ID is 21 2022 146, and I'm from the Architecture Study Program. Today, I will be presenting a topic of building title Basilica de la Sagrada Familia. This topic is very close to my interest because of its unique shape combined with an architectural concept. Here is the description of Sagrada Familia. The location is in Barcelona, Spain. Construction started in 1882, opened in 2010, and the capacity of building is 9,000. The description, the Basilica, a temple expiatory de la Sagrada Familia, commonly known as the Sagrada Familia, is an iconic Roman Catholic minor basilica in Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. Designed by the renowned Catalan architecture, Antoni Gaudí, is arguably his most ambitious and famous work, despite remaining famously incomplete. Construction began in 1882, and Gaudí took over as chief architect in 1883, transforming the project with his distinctive Gothic and Art Nouveau form, characterized by intricate symbolism and organic, nature-inspired shape. Reason why I choose this object, the reason I choose this building is because its unique shape combined with an architectural concept that blends Catalan modernism, Art Nouveau, Renaissantism, and late Spanish Gothic architecture, with its intricate and sturdy form, neutral colors, and the fact that its construction has never been complete. These are the reason I choose this building. Next slide, layout. The basic floor plan or denah of the Sagrada Familia is a traditional Latin cross layout, a common design for a cathedral, but Gaudi execution is anything but conventional. Here is the denah, guys. Next, key features. There are three key features. Number one, column. Inside, the most striking feature is the tree-like column with that branch out toward the ceiling, creating an illusion of a vast stone forest. This column support the complex hyperboloid fault that from the ceiling, designed to distribute weight efficiently and allow natural light to filter through. Next, the basilica spire. The basilica is designed to have 18 towering spire open completion. 12 spire represent the apostles or four on each facade. Four represent the evangelist, one dedicated to the Virgin Mary, and the tallest central spire representing Jesus Christ. Planned to reach 170 meters. Stained glass windows. Gaudi designed the stained glass to create a symphony of light and color within the interior. The windows are strategically placed to allow varying shade of light throughout the day, enhancing the spiritual experience. The characteristic, number one, architectural style. The Sagrada Familia blend Gothic revival with Catalan modernism designed by Antoni Gaudi. It features flowing organic form inspired by nature. Number two, symbolism. Every element is rich in Christian symbolism. The basilica has three main facades: Nativity, Passion, and Glory, and 18 plain tower representing biblical figures. Number three, structural innovation. Gaudi used centenary arches, hyperboloid, and helical column, allowing for natural strength and balance. He designed the church using physical model, not traditional blueprint. Nature-inspired design, the interior mimic a stone forest with tree like column and a canopy like ceiling. Natural light filter through curved stained glass, creating a dynamic spiritual atmosphere. Number five, construction process. Construction began in 1882 and is still ongoing. Modern method like parametric design and 3D modeling are now used to complete Gaudi vision. Here are the pro contra. Uh, in the left is the pro, and the right is the contra. Uh, Pro have a 4 point, and the contra is has a 4.2. Number one, architectural uniques. Combine traditional and innovative technique, an iconic example of Gaudi genius. Next point, symbolism and spiritual depth. Every element has religious meaning, making it powerful spiritual and cultural symbol. Number three, tourism and economic impact attracts millions of visitors annually, boosting the local economy and global interest in Kacalan architecture. Number four, use of modern technology, integration of 3D modeling and parametric design enable completion while respecting Gaudi vision. On contra, point number one, prolongs construction under construction for over 140 years, delay caused by war, funding issue, and complexity. Next point, controversial modification. Some critics argue that modern editions stray from Gaudi original intent. Next point, over tourists, high visitor number can overwhelm the site, affecting local life and the spiritual atmosphere. Plus, urban disruption, ongoing construction affect traffic, noise level, and nearby property development. Next slide. This is my conclusion. The Sagrada Familia is more than just a church. It is a masterpiece that represents the fusion of faith, art, nature, and engineering. Designed by Anthony Gaudi, the structure embodies deep religious symbolism, organic architectural form, and structural innovation far ahead of its time. Through still under construction, after more than a century, the continued work on the basilica reflects a powerful legacy of cultural identity, artistic vision, and technological evolution. It stands today as one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, symbolizing the harmony between tradition and modernity. Next slide. The reference of my presentation, and it was the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.